In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the Minecraft launcher error code 0x803f8001 on your Windows. So let's get started. So let's start with the basic one. First is just try to restart your Windows. All you have to do is make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and click on the restart button. Because once you restart your Windows, that will refresh all the system processes and all the programs of your Windows. So try to restart first. Then for the next method is you have to also make sure that your Windows is updated. So for that, click on the start button and click on the settings icon. From the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on Windows Update and then simply click the button right here to update your Windows to the latest version or to keep your Windows updated. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel so that we can produce more videos for you. Okay, so you just need to wait for this to be installed into your Windows, the updates to be installed into your Windows, and then you can just simply restart your Windows once after all the updates has been installed. Next method is you have to, or you can also make a sign out and then sign in again into the Microsoft Store. So go to the Windows search bar and type Store. Click Microsoft Store under the best match. Now, once the Microsoft Store is opened, okay, so click on this one, this sign in button or the profile icon. So if you are signed in already into your Microsoft Store account, then simply click on the sign out button. You just need to click on the profile icon and click on the sign out button. Now, once you have signed out, then just simply sign in again using the same account that you have logged in into your Microsoft Store in the first place, okay? For the next method, we can also reset the Microsoft Store cache. So for that, press the Windows key and letter R button together. Simply type WS reset. WS reset, click on OK. And this will reset the Microsoft Store cache. For the next method, we can also check the date and the time if it is correct. So click on the start button, click on the settings icon. Click on time and language on the left pane. Click on date and time. Make sure that you are in a current correct date and time. If you're not, simply turn off this option set time automatically and click on the change button and change the date and time from here as to the correct date and time. And then turn it on. Set time automatically and set time zone automatically. You can also click on the sync now button. Okay, and that's it. So again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching.